Hi. What's up? Good morning. I'm back. Yes. This is like a dream project. The clients are wonderful people, and the most important thing I would say is that she trusts me a lot to make these decisions on her behalf, and you know, that to me is the most important thing.
Yo, Raul, what do you like about working with Stacy?
Got great ideas.
That's it.
Easy to work with. I mean, we have a lot of trouble when we deal with designers that most of them aren't prepared. And with Stacy, I feel that basically she does her job, so it puts less stress on us. Obviously, everybody's very busy these time of the year, and when you have somebody that you know what you're doing, it makes our job much easier. So
I aim to please.
you have a total of 7 different tiles.
7 different tiles? Okay. So then here, we're gonna do a black border.
Okay.
About 12 inches.
Okay.
And then, and the white, we're doing 24 by 24, so on a diamond in the center. Because the border, I don't want to have to put a saddle.
Yeah.
I want the border to end like here, and then
Meet up the rest of the tile.
right, and then the wood will just
With a metal edge.
will go into it. Okay.
And this is the white.
Perfect. So
There's a little bit of this, there's a lot of that one.
there's a lot of this because this is also the powder room down here. So it's everything. It's the floors and the walls. And then this wall
Yes.
is getting like a mirror mosaic.
Okay.
So it's all black except for that.
Okay. Any special way you're laying it, or just
It's all
straight?
straight. Really easy.
Some of them, like I said, depending on what type of work you're doing, but in this case it seems
No, but it's
Are you
all
doing-
straightforward.
metal edging.
So yeah, in a chrome.
Okay.
So the chrome is fine for the metal
Window?
edge. The window is gonna have a sill
Same.
from out of stone.
Okay.
This is the only wall that is an accent wall.
Okay.
Every other wall is this, and I like to run it horizontal and straight.
Should we do it in the middle? I would recommend, since this is gonna fit 2 tiles no matter what, I would take the middle of the wall and we would put it this way.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
Rather than start it this way in a small piece and it's gonna start looking.
Yeah, that's totally
Okay.
fine. That works.
So that'll take care of these 2 walls.
Those 2 walls. So this and the face of the tub is going to be the
same
mosaic.
And the rest of the wall is just gonna keep wrapping up the same.
Yeah, it's just gonna wrap all around, and the floor is the wood,
Yep.
which we can run this way, staggered.
Perfect. It's done tomorrow. Finish.
Okay.
And then same thing.
By the way, I believe you. I know I can count on you because that's
Nah, I would
important
never
to
take
you.
it. If I know that I can't handle
that
it.
you can't handle
I
it,
care
you're not
about my
going to
name
do
too
it.
much,
You
it's
care,
not
me
worth it.
too, and I
Yeah.
say that all the time. Nothing is worth the integrity of the brand.
They call me a mensch.
You
Want me to be a mensch too?
are a mensch. You're an honest, generous, not petty person.
That and the word gelt. That's the only 2 things that I know. Okay? I'll see you around. You know that one?
Money.
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 Stacy, you gotta shake his hand.